Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special almond cream cheese cookies. Drop 50 grams of cream cheese in a bowl and whisk it. When cheese turns creamy, add 40 grams of unsalted butter. Whisk to combine both. Here I'm adding 1 gram of salt to balance the taste. And for sweetness, 30 grams of powdered sugar. Whisk it till all the ingredients well combined. Now take out the whisk and add 20 grams of almond powder and mix it with spatula. It's time to add flour. Here I'm using all-purpose flour 80 grams. And through the sieve, I'm sifting it. Here you can add some lemon or orange zest for flavor. I am adding lemon zest. Mix well to form a dough. Cream cheese dough is ready. Now drop it on a plastic and roll it to form a round shape. You can customize the shape. Thickness should be 4 to 5 millimeters. To make cutting easier, I'm refrigerating the dough for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take out and cut. Here I'm cutting it into 8 equal parts. Make a holes on top, just give some cheese look. Now place it on a baking tray aligned with parchment paper. Bake in preheated oven at 160 degrees for about 20 to 26 minutes. I always mention time range in my videos so that you can adjust according to your oven type. These cookies are very soft with good cheese flavor.